Forget pituitary hormones. Not anymore. Learn them in just 10 seconds. Anterior pituitary. Hormones, remember this line. Go teach a funny little puppy. GTAFLP. G equals growth hormone GH. T equals TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. A equals ACTH, adrenocorticotropic. F equals FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. L equals LH, luteinizing hormone. P equals prolactin. Just imagine a teacher training a funny little puppy, and your brain locks it in. Now, the posterior pituitary is super easy. Always obey. AO, a stand for a DH. Controls water balance. O for oxytocin. Love plus birth hormone. So remember, GTFLP stand for Go teach a funny little puppy. AO. Stand for always obey. Like, subscribe, and memorize faster than ever.